In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets and Clickup, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're managing projects, tracking data, or simply trying to keep your information synchronized, this integration will streamline your processes and save you time. So, let's dive into the steps. First, it's essential to have both a Google account and a Clickup account set up. This may sound obvious, but ensuring that both are up and running will make the integration process seamless. Once you've checked these off your list, let's move on to opening Google Sheets, your go-to tool for spreadsheets. Here, either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one, depending on what you'll be working with. Next, head over to Clickup and log into your account if you haven't already. Clickup is incredibly versatile for managing tasks, projects, and even entire teams, so make sure your workspace is organized to match your needs. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace you'd like to connect with Google Sheets. Here, you'll start to see the possibilities of how this integration can work for you. The integration itself can be set up using third-party services like Zapier, which acts as an intermediary, connecting two platforms that don't natively integrate. To do this, navigate to your Zapier account or create one if you haven't yet. Inside Zapier, you'll create a new Zap, which is essentially an automation workflow. This Zap will bridge Google Sheets and Clickup. Let's configure the trigger first. On Zapier, choose Google Sheets as the trigger app. Then, select a trigger event, like New Spreadsheet Row, which will initiate the process whenever a new row is added. You'll need to connect your Google account to Zapier if it's not done already. After authenticating, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you're working with. By confirming these selections, you ensure the Zap triggers exactly when you want it to. Now, set up the action. Choose Clickup as the action app, and decide on an action event, such as Create Task. This means whenever your trigger condition is met, a new task will be added to Clickup. Connect your Clickup account, and you'll have the chance to customize your task, deciding where it will be created, how it will be titled, and even any additional data you'd like to include. These detailed fields are crucial for maintaining organized task management directly from your spreadsheet data. With both the trigger and action configured, it's time to test your Zap. Zapier offers a test feature to make sure everything works correctly. Pay close attention to the test run to ensure the data gets transferred the way you expect. If everything looks good, turn your Zap on. And there you have it. By following these steps, Google Sheets and Clickup will be effectively linked, allowing you to manage and automate tasks and projects with ease. This integration not only saves time but also enhances productivity by keeping all your information aligned. I hope you find this integration as beneficial as many others have, and it helps take your project management to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!